Hi friends, my name is Aniket Zadav and my topic is business etiquette. Let's see the content of what we will study today. First, what is etiquette? Second, impact of etiquette in today's life. Third, business etiquettes. Fourth, importance of business etiquettes. Fifth, type of business etiquettes. And last, conclusion. Let's see what is etiquette. The etiquette means the customary code of polite behavior in society or among members of a particular profession or group. Let's see impact of etiquettes in today's life. Etiquette provides personal security, knowing how to behave appropriately in a given situation. It protects the feelings of others. Proper etiquette requires that you make others comfortable and protect their feelings. It makes good first impression. If you use proper etiquette, that first impression will be a positive one. It makes communication clearer. Etiquette enhances communication by breaking down barriers, not erecting them. Next, business etiquettes. Business etiquette is an expected behavior's expectation for individual actions within society, group, or class. Within a place of business, it involves treating co-workers and employees with respect and courtesy in a way that creates a pleasant work environment for everyone. Next, importance of business etiquette. It builds strong relationships. It promotes positive atmosphere. It reflects confidence and prevents from misunderstandings. Type of business etiquettes. First, telephone etiquettes. Second, dining etiquettes. Third, office etiquettes. Fourth, meeting etiquettes. And last, etiquettes. Let's see, telephone etiquettes. Telephone etiquettes refers to the principle of behavior that one should use while having business telephone calls. Let's see some of the rules which should be followed chatting on telephone are: first, identify yourself while making a call. Second, listen carefully. Third, let the caller hang up first. Fourth, be polite. If someone calls you by mistake, inform the caller politely that he reached a wrong number. Next, dining etiquettes. Dining etiquette refers to the principle of behavior that one should use while having a business meal with colleagues. Let's see some of the rules which should be followed while dining with colleagues are: first, be on time. Second, wait to sit until host or hostess indicate the sitting arrangement. Third, wait for all people to be served before beginning. Next, office etiquettes. Office etiquettes is a code that governs expectations of social behavior in a workplace. Let's see some of the rules which should be utilized by office employees to show proper etiquette are: first, show respect for colleagues. Second, leave your personal life at the front door. Third, be timely. Arrive to work and meetings on time. Complete your work or assignments on time. Let's see meeting etiquettes. Meeting etiquette refers to the principle of behavior that one should use while having a business meetings. Some of the rules which should be followed while attending a business meetings are: first, handshake. Handshake are vital in social situations. Handshake should not be too hard or too soft. Second, eye contact. Eye contact increases trust. It shows confidence and good interpersonal skill. Next, netiquettes. Netiquette is the correct or acceptable way of using the internet. Main netiquette that should be followed on organization are: first, email etiquette. Email etiquette refers to the principle of behavior that one should use when writing or answering emails messages. Second, chatting etiquette. Chatting etiquette refers to the principle of behavior that one should use while with colleagues, clients, or boss. And last, conclusion. A good business etiquette allows a business to put its best foot forward and can protect business owners and employees from internal and external conflicts by setting a high standard for behavior by all. Business etiquette is a set of standards for behavior in which individuals treat everyone respectfully and display good manners in all interactions. Good business etiquette is the recipe for advancing your career. Thank you guys to listen me carefully.